The rotator cuff muscles are a group of 4 muscles associated with the shoulder joint. They can easily be seen on this freestanding arm model. We have the supraspinatus, the infraspinatus, the teres minor, and on the anterior view we have the subscapularis. All 4 muscles originate on the scapula. The supraspinatus originates in the supraspinous fossa, the infraspinatus in the infraspinous fossa, as does the teres minor, and the subscapularis originates in the subscapular fossa. All 4 muscles insert on the greater tubercle of the humerus. So right at the top of the humerus, all 4 of these muscles are attached. As the name implies, these muscles rotate the humerus. These muscles are particularly involved in overhand rotation, so pitchers and tennis players use these muscles quite a bit. These muscles also stabilize the shoulder joint. You'll remember that the shoulder joint is a ball and socket joint, but the ball, or the head of the humerus, is not very prominent, and the socket, composed of the glenoid fossa, acromion process, and coracoid process, is relatively shallow. This allows for a great range of motion in the shoulder joint, but makes it very easy to dislocate. It is the second easiest joint to dislocate in the body. The temporomandibular joint is the easiest joint to dislocate. These muscles help hold the humerus into the socket and thus stabilizes the humerus. Because it can fix the humerus in place, these muscles act as fixators for a number of other arm movements. The teres major is not part of the rotator cuff group, but is closely associated with the group. It too originates on the scapula and inserts on the humerus, but a little bit below the head of the humerus. When this muscle contracts, it assists other muscles in extending the humerus and adducting the humerus. While these muscles are all easily seen on this particular model, they're also seen on a number of other models. For example, on this model, you can see the supraspinatus, infraspinatus, teres minor, and teres major quite clearly. Here's another example of a model. In this one, you can see the subscapularis and the teres major. It's important that you pay attention to all of the models available to you and try to locate these muscles on all of them.